Welcome to Supply Chain Management and Introduction. In this video, we are moving on to the third definition of logistics, about the logistics performance, and we'll talk about efficiency and effectiveness. You heard me using these terms before, and we've seen in some of the definitions, and now we'll explain them exactly what they mean. We'll use them in the context of two examples, the corner shops, so this is coming back, and Tesco operations. I remind you that we looked at logistics with three definitions, right? We said that logistics is about meeting the requirement of the customers using a process perspective, and now the third and last one we're discussing here is in the most efficient manner. So it's about logistics performance. Now let's look at this video. I found this video online. It explains very nicely with the next example about finding your path through the jungle, actually making your path through the jungle. So watch this video and see if it explains clearly enough for you the concept of efficiency and effectiveness, and then we'll dig into a bit deeper into these concepts.
Spencer Stamps here from Plan Plus Online. When you're in the daily battle of getting things done on your task list, are you being efficient or being effective? The last thing you probably want right now is a vocabulary lesson. But there's only two words, and learning the difference between efficient and effective will actually increase your overall productivity. First, being efficient. Efficiency is how fast and how well you're getting things done. Imagine you have the task of clearing a path through the jungle. By sharpening your tools before you start hacking, you will be able to clear the path in much less time. This means you're being efficient. Being efficient at your task is very important. Otherwise, nothing gets done. The second word is being effective. Effectiveness isn't just getting things done quickly, it's getting the right things done. When you're effective, you're not just checking tasks off your to-do list. You're working on your highest priority tasks first, then the next highest, and so on. Back to our jungle. An efficient person would sharpen their tools and then just start hacking a path. But an effective person would check a map and a compass first, to make sure the path is headed in the right direction. All the efficiency in the world doesn't matter if you're moving in the wrong direction. Okay, vocabulary lesson over. You can get back to work. Just remember to first be effective and make sure you're working on your highest priority, then let your efficiency kick in and get it done.
All right, so as you understand from this video, effectiveness can be described as the extent to which an objective has been achieved. And efficiency is the degree to which resources have been used economically. As the video also mentioned, it repeated this phrase from Peter Drucker, that efficiency is doing things right and effectiveness is doing the right things. Now let's look at an example how these two concepts can be applied in practice. In this case, we're looking at the corner shop example, but now we have two corner shops. Corner shop 1 has 2 employees, which will make all the transformation activities that are in the middle, right? And these 2 employees are able to produce 120 cups of coffee a day. Corner shop 2 instead has 3 employees, and they are able to make 140 cups of coffees a day. Now think about it through, and can you tell, by given these numbers, which one is more effective, which corner shop is more effective, which one is more efficient? Bring your answers to class so we can review them there. Here we have another example. Now we'll look at more real life. What efficiency and effectiveness means when you're looking at the operation of an actual company. This brief video shows you some of the activity that Tesco performs in its supply chain. So as you look at it, write down what you see that they do that is effective and what is that they do that is efficient. And hopefully they do things that are both efficient and effective, but let's differentiate exactly how we define the two. take a minute, write down what you saw in this video that indicates that Tesco is operating effectively and which ones of the operations are actually efficient, and bring them to class for more discussion about this. This brings us to the end of this video. We talked about the third definition of logistics, the logistics performance, so the concept of efficiency and effectiveness in the context of the two examples of the corner shops and of Tesco. As usual, the final knowledge check. Can you complete the sentence? What is doing things right and what is doing the right things?